Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm now from China. Today I will take a Chinese dish by oven, garlic flavored eggplant. The major ingredients is eggplant and 2 hands of garlic. Because the shape of garlic looks a human's hand, we often call it a head of garlic in China. First, turning on the oven. 100 degrees centigrade and 10 minutes. We need to preheat it. At this time, we lay tin foil on the baking tray and cut the eggplant. My oven is too small to hold a whole eggplant. I must cut the eggplant. If you have a large oven, you shouldn't cut it. Use a fork to randomly poke a few small holes, which prevents explosion in the oven. Actually, the probability, I think, is very low. Next, we brush edible oil onto the eggplant. When the oven completes preheating, we put the eggplant into it. The centigrade is 250 with 20 minutes. After that, we make a garlic jam. Put the garlic into the blender. Pour the water to clean it. Cut 2 chili peppers and some scallions. And then we turn on the power and pour in edible oil. The next step is very crucial. Make sure to add the garlic when the oil temperature is low. We demand to keep stirring until the garlic aroma is appeared. At this time, we turn down the power and add seasoning. Oyster sauce, 1.5 grams of salt, and a little bit sugar. We continue to turn up the heat and stir fry. Actually, the amount of seasoning isn't fixed. It is only a reference. You can adjust the amount according to your taste. Time out, we take the eggplants out of the oven and use chopstick to split it. Brush the oil in the garlic sauce onto the eggplant. Then put it into the oven and heat it for 5 minutes. Actually, at this time the eggplant is basically already cooked. After heating it up, we pour the prepared garlic jam over the eggplant. Next, add the sliced chili peppers. Put it back into the oven for 3 minutes. Finally, we come to the last step. Sprinkle with cutted scallions and then heat it for another 1 minute.
Alright, dish is ready. Wow.
with red and green. Maybe it's very beautiful. You can use the chopsticks like this. You can cut one like this. Cut one and cut two. Oh. You can get the eggplants with garlic. Oh. Okay. Taste with the sauteed and garlic taste. Very delicious. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.